In the previous labs, we installed an Apache web server and also a MySQL server on the same device. However, these two right now, as it stands, can't communicate. So if we enter in a username password within the input fields within the HTML form, we don't have anything in place that's going to relay or check to see whether or not there's a match within the database table auth users. So what we're going to do in this section here is we're going to install PHP so we can do just that. So now if we go back over to our terminal, we're going to be installing three packages. So we're going to type sudo apt-get install. The packages that we're going to install are PHP5, and then we're going to install lib apache2 mod and then -php5 again. So this is just like it reads. So this is the Apache modules for PHP5, and then we're also going to install PHP-my-admin, and then we'll confirm the installation with the -y. So we're going to get a bunch of screens that are going to appear for us to configure PHP-my-admin. The first one is asking what type of server we want to use, and we have Apache 2 installed, so we'll just hit enter. The next screen is going to be for dbconfig so that it can run its setup scripts. So when we get that screen, we're just going to hit enter for yes to allow it to do so. So we'll hit enter here. Now these next few screens are going to be about setting up a database user between for MySQL with PHP-my-admin, and we're going to enter in a password. Now this password here has to be the same as the password that we've already created, and all our passwords the same are in this lab anyways. So what we're doing is we're registering PHP-my-admin with MySQL. So we'll just enter that password, hit enter, and then enter that password again and hit enter. And the installation is complete.